Hello everyone and welcome back to another episode of my game Devlog. In this episode, I'll just I'll try to remember what we were doing. So I guess I was able to complete the level control logics and showing everything related to a level, like if it's a level 1, 2, 3, which era we are currently in, and the current level timer. So let's see what's the current progress of our game. So if I click here, it's level 2. Let me just reset our save data and then just and we have a customer and she wants a double scoop cone ice cream. Chocolate, vanilla. Here you go, madam. And we are having a level complete screen, which is not that good. I might change this to something like whenever we finish a level, there should be an option, like maybe something like an indicator to show that you can now exit this mode, or maybe have some upgrades, do some upgrades. So yeah, so let's see what we can do next. I guess I can, should I start working on the story mode? So yeah, so I discussed the one more logic, like we can just have some more ingredients in our um, game, like all of these flavors, they make up from a couple of ingredients, right? So for chocolates, obviously it's a chocolate. So in order to get this chocolate, we need to buy it off from a merchant or a shop vendor. So I was thinking maybe we can add um, a logic that would, or maybe a mechanic that if we have um, a certain amount of money, we can invest in a certain flavor, or maybe invest in like the total number of ingredients that we can hold in our machine. So that way, if but but the thing is, if we run out of our, give me a moment. Okay, so yeah, so if we run out of an ingredient, so our customers would be furious, right? So they won't be able to order the the recipe, and they would be furious, and they would instantly leave our restaurant. So, and maybe give us a bad rating. So I'm not sure. Hmm. It's a good mechanic, but I'm not sure if it would be that good. Um. Oh yeah. So what I can do is, each scoop has a different price tag. Okay, so maybe vanilla is maybe $1, strawberry is $1.5, and chocolate is $2. The more this sells, um, the more money we get, right? So what we can do is we can always um, I'm not sure if I can use the word force our users, or maybe we can just use this word, force our users to upgrade the machine so that it can hold more ingredients. So like more chocolates, so that we can make more chocolate scoops. Um, and based on um, the status of this machine, like if it does not have any more ingredients, so the customers won't order that ingredient, that scoop. So I guess it would be a great mechanic, but I think I should not just go and implement this right now. But I can just write it down for see, there was we also need a cutscene system. This These are all done. So there would be collectibles, maybe some kind of era specific collectibles that we can add to our collection and display it somewhere in our at our home. Okay, anyways. Okay. So ingredients, manage, and each flavor is each machine is a specific ingredient, and it would be uh, consumable and can be not replenished, uh, exhausted. I think I have not have a price tag for each, so I guess I can add a price tag for each item, restaurant item. So each individual item would contribute to um, a total price tag. So like if it's a cone with a chocolate flavor cone, it would be something like maybe $3. I'm not sure. So yeah, we can add this. Oh yeah, but how about we can, yeah, so let's work on our tip mechanic. So although the customer is tipping, but we cannot see it inside of our game. So let's just do something like, so, yeah, so this is the total cost, but I don't think so that this is good. Maybe it's all right. Okay, let me just implement tipping system. So like already have this. The customers can already tip. We just need to add a little bit of functionality. So we need to do our customer logic. So this is our tip logic, right? And can I draw a coin real quick? Something like this. Coin, but it's not. So this tells me that the shape of my coin is not correct. Instantly tells me this. Did I just? Because this curve is a bit better than this one. Anyways, what we can do is let's just do something like use the ellipse tool, I guess. So I need the ellipse tool, and we can go back to something like this. And here, somewhere over here, and to in but it's okay. Let's not just waste our time with this. Okay, I know what I need to do. This will be our coin. And it does not look that good, but something, I guess. Like this. Okay, let's just save this. Save this to this would be coin. Stay. Our customer prefab, and I'm just going to add our coin spawn this is a coin spawn, and go ahead and change this to maybe something like this. Still a big, but I guess it's manageable. Let's call this coin. Make this this. We can now add our coin prefab right over here. Public game object. So now we need tipping transform, so that our customer should wait for a while and tip and then go about their way. So let's just see spawns. How about I add another one? Or our spawn and public spawn customer tip wait for it. Let's just create another one. Word set tipping position. I can also do this, like maybe initialize a customer, or maybe inside a set customer we can just pass all these values over here to just this one function, and then these 4 lines can be removed. Let's just keep it this way. Okay, what next? So now we want our customer to if the order is complete, so if the order is complete, where is our quest system? Not the quest system, order system. Order is not order complete. Hide my order. So just click tipping, and then when it goes to this tip logic, it should do something like we are doing in our leave restaurant. just like this, we can just call move to tipping. Just copy this and customer size is, yep. Wait for tipping. And just this. Give me a minute. We have like 30 more minutes, right? So I guess we can. I will be able to complete it in this video. So let's hope. Just give me a moment. And I'm back. So let's just figure this out real quick. If we complete an order, we need to go to tipping state. So when we go to a tipping state, first we need to let's just do something like this and add walk or maybe tip. Move to tipping. Something like this, and it's all good. This would be current tip position, and 1 second, and maybe in 2. And then something like tip me. Okay, I need to go to Google, open up routine documentation, and can I do jump like this? Yep, this is what I want. But to do jump but in 2D. Let's just do this. I'm going to just create an game object. Tipping coin is equal to instantiate point prefab, and the transform would be point transform. So I don't remember. Point tip paired. No, this is not it. This is inside of level manager, and we need point. Oh, where is this? Here. And then tipping point dot to transform dot do jump, maybe local jump, and the end value would be our tipping jar. So order system dot get tipping jar transform, and the duration would be 1 second. The jump power would be, let's say, 5 and 1 and tipping jar transform. Hot position. Then it would be set to living, and I guess this is it. So if I pass my values correctly, so like this is our spawn and this is our save this, and let's see what happens. Let me prep our machines. Complete. Vanilla. Oops. This, I tend to forget passing the values quite a lot. So order system, we do not have a tipping jar. So let me just create it real quick. And then let me just do copy and paste like this. we change a little bit of let's just draw something like could be tips, but how let's just go with tip. I don't want to spend any more time over this, so let's just let's flip jar and somewhere sometimes Unity does not want to go here. And then we can just do the system tips. Let's see if it works. I know what would be my first order be, so let's just prepare it. Where you go, man? Something happened, but was there points? This is our point prefab. Where is this prefab? Let me just do one little thing, I guess, which is let's see how it goes. scan. This is our coin prefab. Sorting layer is not right. Okay. Let's hope that this works now. That was so I guess this was the correct behavior, but I want it after we. Let's see. Now this should work perfectly fine. So we have what we wanted, like we want that so that the customer sort of flick the coin and into the tip jar. Let me just prepare this order and yep, perfect. Okay, so let me just adjust this should be this and tip jar is, let's make it 20 and let's make our coin prefab 19. So I might need to change the sorting order of every single element in this game, but currently I'm just setting it whatever I want. Okay, this is great, but not that great because we want to do it like maybe in the future we can do it because that is that comes inside maybe polish. So currently it's working fine, but yeah. So another thing that I want is that I want to show something like okay, where is my machines? We have this. I need you to come here. What is your sorting order? I do something like $1, maybe 2 size, too big. let's not add any kind of padding and just do something like this. Make the order something like 18, and this would pop up like this, and the color would be yeah, it works, but needs a bit more polishing. Okay, so now this is current tip, and can I do an animation over here, and this is my position 1.04. Let's see. Can I play this? Yeah. So now we can do sort of the duration is 0.35, and if I do play, outward. Okay, I think this is perfect. It is complete. Kill it. Maybe you should kill it. Okay, let's just see if this works, because I think that this will work only one time, so let's hope that it works every single time. So where is our order system? We need link between animation, text, mesh, and shipping amount. Tip and tip, and this would be tip, this, and tipping. Maybe I can just cache the do to an animation. Private animation. Just and then tipping animation dot, is it was start? How do we play? Okay, now we can go back to our customer logic and out after this is complete, we can call order system dot show tip. And do we know the amount of tip that we made? Let's just do tip. Tip chance is this, tip calculator is equal to this, and this. This would be tip calculate, right? This is our red. Tip is in float. So can I parse it and maybe just something like but before that I need to call tip logic, and now this will work perfectly fine. I hope so. Do we need to pass here? We need to pass this. Let's see. Zero. The calculate was zero. Yes, that was in float. Let's just, I guess, use. What is this? Okay. I guess we can just use float. Anyways. So I guess this is it for this video. hopefully this is it for this video, and let's see, because I need to just add a $sign in front of our tip, and then this would be complete. Here you go, sir. Wow, a huge tip, $10 tip. So this would be yeah, so now this is not required anymore. Now what? Yes, this is it, and let's see if we can add another. How about we can just do something like it shows tip, right? say tipping amount text dot transform dot to move y. This end value would be 1.04 and duration would be 1.0 seconds. Okay. After this is complete, on complete, this should be called hide tip text. Tipping amount text dot to wait. This would be 0 and something like this. And can I do this? This. I guess this is it. Okay, I hope that this runs great. Here you go, madam. Let's see. Very nice, very nice. Okay, how about I do very nice. So this is, I guess this is it for this video, and we have achieved the tipping after an order, I guess visually, because the logic was there but the visual cue wasn't there for you guys to see. So I guess this is a progress, and let's just I'll just give you a quick recap. So I just implemented this tip jar over here. So whenever a customer decides to tip us, so he or she will be, I'll show you, will come over here and throw a coin, and then we will see the amount that they tipped. So this was what, $0? Why? Maybe they did not decide to tip us anything. So anyways, so let's just, I guess if they do not decide to tip us, we can just call anyways. So yeah, so I guess this is it for this video. So I hope that you guys like this one, and I hope that I will see you in the next one.